Hey everyone, I'm Sienna and welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing another wash and go. Nothing new. But before all that, please don't forget to like and subscribe to me and click that notification bell. I will be using Kinky Curly. This is the Kinky Curly Not Today Natural Leave-In Detangler. I love this stuff, y'all. It's my favorite leave-in forever and always. And then we will be using the Kinky Curly Original Curling Custard. I'm excited. Let's get right into it. So, y'all know what to do. Grab a piece. This is a little big. Y'all know I take bigger pieces, especially in the back. Alright, ow, that just hurt my elbow. I need to move over. Alright, let's take this leave-in. And this is how the leave-in looks. So soft. Amazing slip. And just rake that bad boy in. Now when it comes to this curling custard, it does not play, y'all. It does not play. Like, it is nothing to play around with. So make sure that you know your hair. Like, if your hair likes thick custards, gels and stuff, then this is the perfect one for you. If your hair doesn't really like super thick stuff, then you might want to take a little bit of this curling custard. We're gonna wet my hair even more because I got that high porosity hair and we love moisture and water. So this is what the curling custard looks like. So as you can see, it's pretty soft, but it doesn't play, okay? So when it dries, you will feel a hold, you'll feel a crunch. So whether or not you like those things, I would try and take as little as possible, because don't sleep on it, y'all. It will get the job done. And I'm gonna keep on adding just a little bit of water because it does feel dry at first. I remember that's like when I used to use this all the time, I remember that is, so now I'm just gonna take a little bit. I remember that is a little weird after, you know, it's your first time using, you know, this product, and it's just like a little scary. But don't worry, y'all, it holds and it does go away. And just, you know, if you don't like that feel free to just add a little bit more water. So this is what we got. Should I move closer? Come closer to me, y'all. All right, I think this is, yeah, this is good. Cutting me off a little bit. But this is already what we have with the custard. I mean, like I said, depending on your hair, you might want to not take as much of the curling custard. I'm taking a lot of the curling custard because that's what I need for my hair personally to really get that hold and get that definition. It does feel a little dry right now. I'm not a fan of that either, so I'm just going to take a little bit more water and just loosen it out, loosey-goosey. Like I said, y'all, it gets the job done. This leave-in. So this section is down. I'm just going to take a little bit more of my leave-in conditioner just to get a little bit rid of the dry feel that you get, just to add more moisture to it as well. It feels weird right now, y'all, but I'm telling you, when it dries, you're gonna love it. So here's a closer look. All right, I'm gonna do the other section. I have to go watch my show, Blood and Water, on Netflix, y'all. Come on. That show is rocking, so I'm gonna watch a little bit of that, and then I'll be back to show you the results of the back. Don't forget, y'all, just keep on adding water. If you don't like the dry feel, spray, 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 and it'll go away. I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, hey y'all, I'm back. I finished the back, and can we just get into this definition? Like, I mean, so this is what we got for the back. The definition is super, super defined. I love that. And now we're gonna get to the top. So this half is done. Let's get a little bit more closer. Very defined curls. We love to see it. Take a little bit of my leave-in again. Just put it on top of it. This section actually doesn't feel as dry as the back. I was using more, but I was also using more conditioner to get rid of that feel. All right, last section. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I finally finished. This is how it looks. I love how defined my curls look. That's why I love using this curling custard. As you put it on, it feels really dry and like plasticky, but like as it dries, and I also put like some more moisturizer. I put some more leave-in conditioner, and I always made sure to add more water. That dry feel sort of goes away. It doesn't feel like weighted. It doesn't feel like it's crunching up. Like it feels, I feel free. So depending on how this dries, I'm going to air dry. That's what I do. And then depending on how it dries, I might stretch it to add some more volume, or I might just leave it how it is. We'll see. But yeah, I mean, I love the definition. You all know I love this leave-in conditioner so much, and I think it works really, really well with the curling custard. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a couple hours. Alrighty, hey guys, welcome back. So I waited a little bit more than a couple hours. I diffused my hair just a tiny bit. I got scared because last time I diffused it, it didn't really come out how I wanted it to. When my hair, I don't know, sometimes I just like to leave my hair alone and let it, you know, let it do its own thing, and it did its thing, y'all. So this is pretty much the final look. It's definitely going to grow and grow over the next couple of days, which is great. That's what we want. But for first day, this is amazing volume, and I'm very, very happy about it. I'm really a fan of these results, and I'm definitely going to be using this duo again, of course. So thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to stay safe, stay sane, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video.